Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to be making a vertical wave. We already have our 6 base strings and 2 extra strings, one multicolor and one black. Now we're getting started with making a row of forward knots. So we're going to make 6 forward knots on each string. I have 6 strings as I've mentioned before, so I grouped them into, so I'm doing 1, 2, 1, and then you can see I'm holding my second group, and then the third group is on the right. A wave bracelet is an alpha bracelet but made in a different way because we're only going to use 2 strings, so we have 2 leading strings, and well, that's all we have 2 leading strings. You can add bass strings and make like 8, have like 8 bass strings instead of just 6, or you can reduce. This is your choice. Now we're done with our black string. We're going to take the next string while arranging our twos. Now I'm using a hand dyed string, and now we're going to make 6 forward knots until when we get to the 6th bass string, which is there. Now we're going to go back, so we're going to make 6 backward knots. We're going to end right where we began when we were making our forward knots, which will be on the edge of the left. I forgot to introduce myself. So hi, I'm Wanda from Sam Desire. I make friendship bracelets and other little crafty tutorials. I no longer make crochet videos on this channel. I have another channel for that. And you should also follow me on Instagram because I drop mostly daily updates about the bracelets I'm making, my pet turtle, and what I am doing. Taking our black string, we are going to make 1 row, which is 6 backward knots. We're going to end on the edge of the left, which is where our current multicolor string is. Now you don't have to use multicolor string for this tutorial. You can use a plain color string. I just decided to use multicolor string because, well, I wanted something different, plus I had plenty hand dyed string with me and I just wanted to get rid of some of them. Now that we are on our 6th bass string, making our last backward knot, we are going to repeat this tutorial from right where it started by making 6 forward knots. So starting, we group it in twos again, first, second, and third. Now we get started making 6 forward knots. This bracelet is just made with 4 easy steps. First row of black, second row multicolored, third row multicolored, and then fourth row of, you repeat until when you get your desired length. Repeating the same steps, we are going to take our multicolor string and make 6 forward knots. So we're going to make a forward knot on each of the base strings we have, and since we have 6, that's 6 forward knots. All the black things you're seeing on the background of my bracelet are actually from my bracelet. This particular brand of black string always removes, I think it's called fiber, but it always removes something no matter what, but it is really stretchy, so I used a lot. So sorry if that is distracting for you. Now we are going to make 6 backward knots, returning our multicolor string to the left side. And now we're going to do one more row of black knots, which will be 6 backward knots. So I will leave a timestamp when I'm done with these 6 backward knots, because this tutorial is just going to keep repeating itself. So you're going to start all over again. And now that we are on our last knot, the pattern repeats at 0.07 seconds. And well, that is all for today. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.